Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete cover photo on Facebook. So first things first, you have to launch your Facebook application and then you have to go to your profile page or profile picture. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now here you have to click your profile again and then on your profile you have to look for your cover photo. So you have to select view cover photo right here. Click this one, tap view cover photo and then tap on this three dots at the top right corner and choose delete photo. So basically you can confirm by tapping delete again. Your cover photo will be removed. Facebook will replace it with a blank or gray background. On the desktop, you have to go to your Facebook or log into facebook.com and then same thing, just go to your profile, hover your mouse over the cover photo. So you have to click your profile right here, tap on your cover photo, and then this time you have to click the camera icon in order for you to delete this. And here you have to tap again the three dots, and then here you will see the remove or delete photo right here and then confirm the deletion. So you cannot have completely empty cover photo. If you delete it, Facebook will just display a gray background until you upload a new one. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.